What makes Massy strong, if you really think about it, if you break it down, is this business has scale, has a brand loyalty, has a team of 13,000 people that live and breathe for their customers and for their communities. We break bulk. We have incredible partners and incredible products. We break bulk and we move these products through the region into communities that are hard to get to. Our suppliers can't do that. Our partners can't do it. We could do it. We have the most extensive connected distribution network in the region. And that allows us to move these products safely, efficiently into communities as we need to. We don't think of the various markets as separate. When you connect those markets, it becomes one platform, one ecosystem that connected to each other. And we can optimize that whole supply chain, and that allows us to be more resilient and to move and grow at scale. Major takeaway from an investor session is the financials are fundamentally extremely strong. Revenues are up, profits are up. But I think what we've done in the last 18 months is be able to convert those profits, PBT, EBITDA, whichever version of profit you want to define, into cash. So if I simplify it again, growing the revenue, we are converting that revenue to profits. We then convert that profit to cash. That cash allows us to pay dividends quarterly and to also invest in the future. It strengthens the balance sheet, and therefore all the ambition we have and all the dreams we have can actually be financed, and it's bankable. And I think that is the importance of the financial performance and the resilience of this group. You'll hear about 7% revenue increase, you'll hear about the cash flow, all of these are good things. But these are really grounded on the strength of the business that's been built over 100 years, right? We always start with the people capability. And there's so many stories of our talent and our people driving the success of this business, right? And we have them positioned everywhere in the market, across every community, and that is a core part of why we're successful. The biggest opportunity is given where we're starting from. We're starting from a legacy of strength. Our strategy is really anchored around 4 pillars. The first pillar is around leadership. The way I see leadership, I call it vertical leadership. That means there's leaders at every level of this organization. The second pillar of our strategy really speaks to global standards. A level of standards across Massy, that if you work at Massy, if you do business at Massy, you understand this is Massy, this is excellent. The third pillar of that strategy has to do with technology, data, and AI. And that will allow us to now future-proof this business. And we're going to invest. We've started that investment already with OpenAI and ChatGPT, with Workday and our human capital information systems and other things. And we're going to power through this organization with technology to make us faster, more agile, more effective in how we do business. We have launched ChatGPT about 6 weeks ago, and the ideas that are coming up from the teams are incredible. So I can't imagine what this group is going to look like as we continue to roll that out to be more efficient and more effective in how we do our daily work. Underlying all of this is we will protect the core. We're going to invest with innovation and continue to protect the core. And if I think about our Orange Grove facility, that is a significant investment to protect our distribution business and to scale it. We're going to do the same thing in Guyana, and we already have it in Jacksonville. We already had that distribution business in Jamaica and in Barbados and in St. Lucia, all connected to protect the core. I was once told that 600,000 pensioners rely on Massy's dividends, right? You can't unhear that. What does that mean? That means the way I think about Massy going forward is we are so embedded and we are so important to the communities. We have to continue to grow and to continue to develop. The most exciting part about this job is to get to lead a company with this legacy and this heritage into a time that may have many challenges, but I think there are so many opportunities. What we get to do at Massy is to build on that legacy and to take the responsibility that we have and bring some of this innovation, this technology that allows our people to develop new skills, new capabilities that allow us to compete and win outside of this region. We have an incredible source of talent. There's innovation, there's creativity. What Massy will bring to it is scale, investment, and access to bigger markets and the more capable partners that elevate our game.